Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. Today, I will explain you unseen passage or comprehension passage. So please take out your book and open page number 18. Unseen passages are those passages which are not present in your book. It is given on the question paper which we haven't read and we have to answer those questions with reference to the passage. Comprehensions of an unseen passage means a complete and thorough understanding of the passage. The main object of comprehension is to test one's ability to grasp the meaning of a given passage properly and also one's ability to answer in one's own words the questions based on the passage. A variety of questions like short answers type questions, completions of incomplete sentences, filling the blanks with the appropriate words, and exercises based on vocabulary are set for the purpose. Dear students, before attempting to answer the questions on a passage, it is necessary to read the passage again and again so that a general idea of the subject of the passage becomes clear. Once the passage is clear, it is easy to answer the questions. One should also keep the following points in mind before answering the questions set on a given passage. Or here are some rules or guidelines to solve the unseen passage. First, read the passage quickly to have some general idea of the subject matter. Read the passage again and underline the important points. Read the questions and try to know what has been asked. Read the passage again and underline the portions where the probable answers may be available. Use as far as possible your own words to answer the questions in a precise and brief way. Always use complete sentences while answering a questions. If you are asked to give the meaning of some words or phrases, try to express your idea in your own words as clearly as possible. Don't give your own opinions or comments about anything unless you are asked to do. Look back at the paragraph when in doubt. Read the questions and all the alternatives provided and choose the most appropriate one. Dear students, now we will solve one unseen or comprehension passage. Here the passage is given. You have to read the passage and answer the following questions. My best friend. My best friend is the baker's son. I gave him a book and he gave me a bun. I told him a tale of a magical lake, and he was so thrilled that he baked me a cake. As he is my best friend, we go cycling together on bright sunny days, and even in rain and bad weather. And if we feel hungry, there's always a pie or a pastry to munch on as we go riding by. Once again, we will read the passage. My best friend is the baker's son. I gave him a book and he gave me a bun. I told him a tale of a magical lake and he was so thrilled that he baked me a cake. As he is my best friend, we go cycling together on bright sunny days and even in rain and bad weather. And if we feel hungry, there's always a pie or a pastry to munch on as we go riding by. Now, we will solve the questions. Take the correct answers. In this way, you will get some questions. You have to solve those questions by reading the passage. The poet's best friend gave him a options are a book, a bun, cycle. So to answer this question, we will look the paragraph. My best friend is the baker's son. I gave him a book and he gave me a bun. So the poet gives him a book and his best friend gave him a bun. So the correct answer is bun, that is second option. Question second. When the poet told him a story, the baker's son, options are bought the book, took the poet swimming, baked him a cake. We will see second paragraph. I told him a tale of a magical lake and he was so thrilled that he baked me a cake. When he was telling, the poet told him a story, so the baker's son baked him a cake. So the answer is baked him a cake. Question third. The poet had and his friend often. Options are bake together, cycle together, tell each other's story. We will see the answer in third paragraph. As he is my best friend. We go cycling together on bright sunny days and even in rain and bad weathers. So the correct answer is cycle together. Now answer these questions. Who is the poet's best friend? We will see first paragraph. My is the poet. My best friend is the baker's son. So we will make the answer like this. The poet's best friend is the baker's son. So this we find in the first paragraph of the passage. Question second. Write three things that show the friendship between the poet and the baker's son. We have to find three things. There are many things out of that. We have to find three things that show the friendship between the poet and the baker's son. The poet and his friends exchange gift. That is, I gave him a book and he gave me a bun. So the poet and his friend exchange gifts. That is, the poet gave his friend a book, the friend gave him a bun. So these things shows that they were having good friendships. They often cycle together. It also means that they are friend. When the poet read a story to his friend, he baked a cake for the poet. This also says that they are good friends. So these are the three things which shows the friendship between the poet and the baker's son. Dear students, we had solved this passage. This was a example. In exam, you will get some passage that are known as unseen passage. You have to read that passage and answer the questions in the same way that we had done this passage, that is my best friend. In this book, there are many passages, so you can do practice. Thank you and have a nice day.